Mega! No, not MAGA. Mega. Mega GMs. Mega GMs to us all. Happy Wednesday, August 2nd. Let's get right into it. Interesting market right now. Yesterday felt like things were trending up a little bit, and they were. They were for a brief period. Maybe not anymore. Forecast 500 NFT Index, a composite of the top blockchains and the top NFT projects that comprise those blockchains. We're down just 0.33%. For the week, down almost 5%. You can see yesterday, right around here. Right around here was when we actually did have a little uptick. Felt that in the markets. Global sales were trending up. It was looking okay. Didn't feel super sustainable. It wasn't substantial, and we're seeing that now as we've come down. And my thoughts, we will continue trending down. Across blockchains. Ethereum down almost 0.5%. Solana down 0.79%. Polygon down 0.05%, nearly even. Cardano regularly bucking the trend. I don't know what's going on over on Cardano, but something different is happening over there. Our ecosystem's doing pretty darn well and has been in the green quite a bit recently. 7 days still down 1.21%, but 30 days, I believe we're up. Yeah, 5.74% on Cardano for the past month. Very interesting. If you're in this to gain, if you're in this for profits, if you're a trader, worth looking over at Cardano. There is something happening over there that people seem to like. Bored Ape Yacht Club in the top spot with $1.5 million in sales. DraftKings from Polygon, number 2 with just over $1 million. Gods Unchained and D-Market representing gaming still doing well at the number 3 and 5 spots. Tris, the DEX ecosystem. It's an NFT on this decentralized exchange. Still holding its own at number 4. The rest of the top 10, Sorare, Mutant Ape Yacht Club, CryptoPunks, DeGods, who announced Season 3 yesterday, and the Captains. Blockchain's Ethereum at number 1, of course, but behind it, Polygon with 1.8 million in sales, then Solana, Immutable X, BNB, Mythos, Bitcoin all the way down at number 7 still. Bitcoin, what are you doing, baby? Really, really struggling. I have an idea why. I have a little news adding to that reason why. But Cardano, Flow, and Ronin rounding out the top 10. Ronin at number 10. That's probably behind Cyberpunk sales. Let's have a look real quick. Well, actually, Axie's done pretty well. But yes, Cyberkong's now adding to their daily totals, their weekly totals. Cyberkong's coming from the Cyberkongs. I'm sorry, Genkai coming from the Cyberkongs. One of the top projects on Ethereum, newly minted on Ronin with their new collection. Expect to see some numbers over there, especially after reveal when we have some rare Kongs showing up, revealed. And expect some pretty pricey sales. Mentioned last night, but a CryptoPunk, a very, very special CryptoPunk was sold to Beeple, an icon of the NFT space. There we go. CryptoPunk number 4593. Fantastic guy. Reminds me of Beeple. It's perfect. The clown nose, the clown eyes, the mohawk. Beeple's wild. Beeple has so much personality, and he is a character, and this CryptoPunk may just be his digital identity now, and I couldn't think of a better CryptoPunk to suit the legend. A legendary CryptoPunk for the legendary Beeple. Touch on some quick news. I mentioned Bitcoin and Ordinals. Well, the reason Bitcoin is down so significantly, remember, a blockchain that was doing on any given day $30 million in sales volume, now struggling to do even $500,000. Very different ecosystem over there now. You don't have buyers. You don't have anybody finding value there, wanting to participate now in secondary sales, in collecting. You do see a lot of mints, though. Earlier this week, we had a record number of Ordinals minted in a day with 422,000 in a single day. People still care about the ecosystem. They don't see profits. They don't see value. This may change it. The Ordinals team is creating a nonprofit to support developers on Bitcoin. Exactly what we need. You don't have smart contracts on Bitcoin. Because of that, you don't really have utility. This may change. Let's see what happens when developers are incentivized to build new protocols, new platforms, and come up with new ways to utilize Ordinals. Just may do the trick. Again, they need it. Falling from 2 to number 7, they need something drastic. They need a turnaround. Let's hope this is it. GameStop recently fired their CEO, who was really spearheading their charge into Web3. Well, since that change, some negative news. GameStop is getting rid of their NFT wallet. Blaming regulatory uncertainty makes a lot of sense. We are all asking for some clear regulations, some clear rules to operate by, and the NFT space really hasn't gotten it yet. Well, because of that, GameStop isn't leaving anything to chance. Who wants to face possible legal action? So might as well not even risk it. And you see that playing out here. No more GameStop wallet. GameStop, I believe, is on the Immutable X blockchain, so there are other wallets on that blockchain. So, in theory, it doesn't affect their NFTs. It just affects GameStop saying, "Hey, it wasn't us." Might be smart. Starbucks, just a couple days ago, launched a new NFT. These Starbucks NFTs are on the Polygon blockchain, have done very well, have mass appeal. This is a great way to get the masses into NFTs, similar to Reddit avatars. Very forward-facing, very public, very recognizable brands with huge user bases. They're happy to collect something. Just don't call it an NFT, and they'll be happy to come join us. Again, with Bitcoin Ordinals, profitability falls in July. Inscriptions up, like I said, that 422,000 in a day. My friend Zoltan wrote a great article about the revenue on the Bitcoin ecosystem, or lack thereof, recently. Check it out. Head to Forecast News. It's a top story today. It's worth a read. And while we're at it, I write a weekly newsletter for CryptoSlam called On Deck. I give a market review. I give some commentary. I mentioned the top NFT drops coming to the space. Comprehensive overview. If you're not plugged into NFTs on a daily basis, or you want a quick TLDR, check it out. Subscribe for it, head to cryptoslam.io, or go to forecast.news, and we publish the newsletter weekly as well. That's it for this morning, though. Keeping it short, keeping it tight. We'll be back this evening with another market update. We'll catch up on any news. And until then, we'll see you.